Arc's portfolio feature offers users the ability to group multiple buildings into a single view, where team members can compare performance at the portfolio level and view aggregated metrics. You can easily create as many portfolios as you like by navigating to Arc and clicking on Buildings, then My Portfolios, and finally create a portfolio. Fill out the basic portfolio information and click Create. There's no limit to the number of individual buildings you can include in a portfolio. The same project can exist in multiple portfolios, and deleting a project from one portfolio doesn't delete it from any others. The project view in Arc is organized into 3 sections: Projects, Scores, and Carbon. Summary metrics can be found at the top of each of these sections. By clicking on any of the aggregate metrics, you can view a sortable project-by-project table. The Score view in Arc allows you to quickly view, filter, and sort all of your project's progress towards generating complete performance scores. Use this feature to quickly prioritize which projects may need help obtaining data or who is performing well overall and in specific categories. The Carbon view in Arc demonstrates your portfolio's aggregate carbon generation and lets you assess this key metric in relation to broader sustainability goals. You can further isolate carbon contribution by source, like energy or transportation. You can set portfolio-wide goals and track progress against these goals in all or select categories. Portfolio administrators can invite multiple team members to view the aggregate metrics in the portfolio. Team members listed on the portfolio can only access specific project consumption and analytics information if they're also on the project team for that specific building. This way, privacy controls around sensitive data can be maintained while still allowing performance comparisons within the portfolio. Arc makes the invisible actionable and is intended for ongoing tracking as an outcomes-based approach to sustainability. By leveraging the streamlined and consistent approach to benchmarking and data tracking in Arc, project teams have made quantifiable improvements to overall building performance through changes to occupant behavior, policy adoption and adherence, consumption reduction strategies, and capital improvement projects. Obtaining a performance score requires data collection and stakeholder engagement, but really represents the first step in a thoughtful assessment of how to then improve performance. While strategies implemented at a specific project may have intended improvements, only by measuring and verifying the outcomes can you truly benchmark your building project. This concludes the final module. Take a moment to review the information in your project plan activity sheet, which will now be completed, giving you a roadmap for implementing the performance approach on your project.